For our final project for functional writing, we are going to be learning how to use iMovie to create a presentation that shows step-by-step directions on how to do the task of your choice. But first, you will have to learn how to use iMovie. The first thing you will need to do is open up iMovie. So I'm going to move the cursor down to the bottom applications. And the star with a video camera in the middle is iMovie. Click on iMovie for it to pull up. When iMovie opens, you will need to click on File and New Project. Then you can name your project. For example, I'm going to name my project Family and then click Create. Now you can click on T, which stands for Title, and choose the title style that you want to use for your first slide. Click on your choice and drag it to the title slide in the project library. You can then enter in the title of your presentation, which my title is Family, and you can enter the author. So by Miss Harris, and then click Done. Now you're ready to add your photos. Click on the camera to the right, and you should be able to find your pictures from iPhoto that you want to use for your presentation. Once you have found the photos you want to use, click on each photo and drag them to the project library. So I click on it and I drag it over right next to my title slide. You can delete photos by clicking on a photo and then clicking Delete. Since this is a giving directions video, you will want to make sure that your photos are in the correct order. So, if you need to rearrange the order of your photos, you will need to click on the picture you want to move and just move it to where you want it to go. And again, I just click on the photo and I move it to where I want it. Once you have your photos in the order you want them, you will need to provide the directions for each step by recording your voice. To do this, click the voiceover button, which is the microphone. Talk into the microphone and click on the arrow and drag it left or right so that the meters are bouncing a little over half full as you speak, and do not turn yellow or red. You can click to take the voice enhancement in order to enhance your voice. Now you are ready to record your voice by clicking on the point where you want the recording to begin. Wait for the countdown and then start talking. Once you are finished recording, click the space bar. You can delete the recording by clicking on the purple marker and hitting delete. You can also edit the length of your photo. If you want a photo to last a little longer than 4 seconds or shorter, you just click on the photo and then go to Edit and Set Duration. And then right here where it's showing 4 seconds, you can take that off and you can put less time or more time. We'll make it 6 seconds. And then we click OK. And if you want all your photos to be 6 seconds, you can come down here and click Apply to All Photos. Or since I just clicked that one, I just want that one to be a little bit longer, I'm going to click Apply Only to the selected photo and then click OK. and you can see it's gotten a little bit longer. You are now ready to view your presentation by clicking on the play button and here it is. If you are happy with it, then you are finished. If you feel like you still need to make some changes, then you can go back and edit your video. Now that you are familiar with the basic features, you are ready to begin working with iMovie to create your step-by-step directions. Get rolling!